My name is Mike Jansen and the business is Evolution for Kids. It's a website that has lots of resources for parents and for kids, which help them to become more confident and familiar with science and to help kids to develop a science-based understanding of the world.
I'm Claudia Gottner. I'm the owner of NDIS Financial Management, and I help people manage the financial side of the NDIS plan.
So I've had women coming to me for help, and usually women who are in business, they're usually a holistic type business, and they've set up a business, they've done a course, but they don't actually have any clients. So they're stressed about where their income's going to come from, and they don't really know where to start to get their business going and get some income. I've mapped out a program where I help women do the same thing, so to identify their niche, clarify what they want to do and the problem for their client.
I'm Trudy Rankin, and I would love for you to take the road less traveled and start your own online business.